Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So I cannot believe it, but we are actually doing the January Boxycharm unboxing. Personally, I'm just hoping that January and February are going to go by super quick, just like last year did. Those are like my two least favorite months out of the entire year, so I just want to try and get through them as quick as possible. So I'm excited to show you guys what is inside my January Boxycharm. If you watch my Boxycharm unboxings, you know that this is a total surprise to me. I don't look at sneak peeks, I don't look at it beforehand, I just open it with you guys on camera. I think it is so much fun that way. It's just like a big surprise. So this is actually going to be our first Boxycharm for the year of 2021. I thought there were so many great products that I received in my Boxycharms in 2020, and I actually do use a lot of those products in my weekly makeup routine, so I was really happy with a lot of the stuff that I got. Like especially last year we got the Natasha Denona palette, we got a lot of Too Faced stuff, Tarte, Huda Beauty, so definitely was an amazing part of 2020. I'm excited to carry this series into 2021, so hopefully you guys are still loving my Boxycharm unboxings. So without further ado, let's get on into it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos, and let's get on into it. Alright, so if you guys are interested in Boxycharm, there will always be a link in my description box. It is an affiliate link, so I do get a small commission if you guys sign up, and I appreciate it so much when you guys use my links. It helps support my channel, so thank you for that. So that will be in my description box, and if you have never heard of Boxycharm before, which I'm sure you have, but if you are new, box is usually a $200 value. It can be like $150 to $200 value, and you pay $25 a month for the box. So it is all full-size products, mix of beauty and skincare. Sometimes there'll be more skincare, sometimes there'll be more beauty products. Usually what I end up doing with the products, after I do this unboxing, the next day, tomorrow, I will film a tutorial using the products. So if you guys want to see me using what is inside, then head over to my Instagram. Alright, so I don't look, I just open it up and I reach my hand in and see. I'll put the pamphlets to the side. First product feels like maybe a mascara or lip gloss. What is it? It is a lip gloss. I was right. This is a brand I've never heard of. It's called Trust Fund Beauty. This is called the LIPGLOSS, and it says, be unapologetically yourself. 10 free. Made without formaldehyde, toluene, DBP, no perfumes, formaldehyde resin, no paraben, no camphor, no mineral oil, no phthalates, no sodium lauryl sulfates, gluten, lead, nickel, benzophine 1, GMOs, and any animal derived ingredients. Okay, that's great. So this shade is called Unprofessional. I've never heard of like 10 free in beauty. I've only seen those types of things really in nail polish, so that is very interesting. Bright, very bright coral shade, which is going to be so pretty for spring and summer. I actually really like these colors. I think they brighten up the whole look. This and do like a really light lid, maybe just some big lashes, and this would be super pretty. No scent because these don't have any perfume. Vegan and cruelty free. It looks like a Canadian brand. I'm excited to try out a new clean brand. Okay, reaching back in, possibly a primer. Oh, okay, we have a pure, this is a 4-in-1 tinted moisturizer. I have shade LP3 here, which I think will be an okay match. It looks pretty good. It says your all-in-one moisturizer, primer, foundation, and SPF with powerful hydrators and proven correctives. So here is the tinted moisturizer. It doesn't have the ingredients on here except the sunscreen, titanium dioxide, and zinc oxide. So it does have physical sunscreen in it as opposed to chemical sunscreens. I'm gonna have to look up the ingredients on this because I always like to look at the ingredients list before I put it on my face, just in case it has niacinamide and then I know I can't use it. Never tried a foundation or anything from Pure before. I've really only tried their eyeshadow palette, I think. So this is a really fun one. I always enjoy getting a new foundation, and foundation is stuff a little more rare in Boxycharm. So see, number 3. What is this? Is it a lipstick? Okay. This is Seraphine Botanicals Apple and Baum Glow Lip Mask. Very cute packaging. Cruelty and vegan, formulated in the USA. It says boost hydration and glow with this protective lip mask formulated with apricot, jojoba, and rosehip oils that work to keep lips chapped-free, soothed, and plumped at the same time. Made with green apple and pineapple extract to help rid lips of dead skin, and 100% vegan and paraben-free. It says overnight lip treatment. It's also clean, no parabens, no mineral oil, hypoallergenic. Oh my gosh, it's super cute. It's in those little squeezy tubes. These have been a lot more popular lately. This reminds me a lot of the e.l.f. mask. That one's really thick. It smells really good. It smells like apples. Ooh, it smells so good. I don't have anything apple scented. I love having new scents. I feel like no one ever does apple. That is probably going to be Too Faced next collection though. Do you guys think so? It's definitely going to be like their 2021 launch is going to be all about something apple scented. It smells so yummy. I'm very excited to try this. This is definitely something you can wear during the day. I will try it as an overnight lip mask as well. But I love that it's also a clean brand. So yay, I love trying out new brands. So far we have 2 lip products, 1 foundation. It feels heavy, very heavy. You guys, I have no words right now. I am freaking out. I didn't even say what the product was yet because I am so shocked right now. I've been wanting this product. Pharmacy Deep Sweep Toner, you guys. What? This is crazy. I cannot believe this is in BoxyCharm. I'm like blown away right now. Really shocked. I've been wanting this product so badly. This product went viral. It is so popular. It also was sold out during Christmas time at Sephora because it was so popular. So I am shocked that this is in here and a completely full size. What, you guys? Holy cow, this is crazy. Okay, let me open it up. My initial shock, like what? It's so exciting. So this is a 2% BHA pore cleaning toner with moringa and papaya. Very similar to the Paula's Choice. I've been using that one every day. I love that product, but I have been really wanting to try this one. There were so many times when I almost bought that and I never pulled the trigger. So wow, I hope you guys have this in your box because this is definitely one of the best BoxyCharm picks ever. Like, I'm really shocked right now. So it says it's an alcohol-free 2% BHA toner that gently exfoliates, cleans pores, and controls oil without over-stripping the skin. This refreshing daily toner contains a blend of salicylic acid, which is great if you have acne skin, moringa water, and papaya enzyme to help reduce shine and minimize the look of pores, ideal for combination oily skin, which is so many positive reviews on the Sephora website, like so many 5-star reviews. So I am just honestly shocked right now. I cannot believe this was in BoxyCharm. Oh, I cannot wait to use this tonight. I'm already like loving this box. Okay, feels like a palette. Violet Voss palette. I think this is my first time getting Violet Voss in BoxyCharm. I don't know if any of you guys have ever gotten her products before, but I actually almost thought this was a ColourPop palette. Okay, this is the Olive You Forever palette. Such a cute name. I have not had a Violet Voss palette in, I can't even tell you guys, it's been years. I used to see her at the trade shows. The owner actually used to be a YouTuber, Purse Buzz. She was one of like the first OG YouTubers and I used to watch her because I've been watching YouTube since the dawn of time when it first started. Purse Buzz was like one of my favorite YouTubers. Still has her own brand. I don't think she makes YouTube videos anymore, but let's open up the palette. I do have a couple of her palettes. I haven't used them in forever though, so let's see. Here's what it looks like. This is so pretty. Oh, I love this so much. I love this entire color scheme. How pretty. You get some warm shades in here as well as some greens with these gorgeous shimmers over here that are like gray tone greens, and you have this beautiful olive shade down here. I am so excited to use this palette. And then you have just some nice like neutral shades, and then this shade is stunning. Major Spotlight. It's like a white tone, like with a little bit of a gold sparkle, and then you have this gold shade right here. It's like a dirty kind of gold. Oh my gosh, I love this palette. I love the color scheme. This is awesome. I cannot wait to play with this when I film my look tomorrow. I really love wearing green. This was super exciting. I really love this box. Already dropped the palette, so Didn't break though, thank goodness. This was an insanely good box. I love how we got a mix of everything, but the products were amazing. So let me look at the pamphlet here. Okay, the Violet Voss All of You Forever palette has creamy mattes, mesmerizing metallics, and impactful foils. And it says its MSRP, it retails for $34. It's a new launch. Pharmacy Deep Sweet Toner, which I'm freaking out about, is $28 retail. The Pure Tinted Moisturizer is $35. Seraphine Naturals Lip Glow Mask is $25, and the Trust Fund Beauty Lip Gloss is $18. Retail value for this box is $140, and for $25, I think this is totally worth it. I think everything in here was shockingly good, and just so you guys know my box number, it is different now. It's actually a longer number. So my box is C2101002-BA. So I don't know if you guys will have a similar number to mine. I am so happy with my first BoxyCharm of 2021. I give this one a big thumbs up, and I definitely think you guys should subscribe if you have not yet, because hopefully you'll get this box variation. I don't know what other variations are out there. Like I said, haven't seen, but I thought mine was amazing. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my BoxyCharm unboxing. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.